Good morning guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So let's go over to those Bitcoin charts and see what's going on. So yeah, had a nice little pump up at the moment. Nice little pump up going on. You can kind of see we are trying to regain the top of this the top half of this zone that we're in, which I think would be obviously would be pretty bullish if we can do, because then I think that will lead to up to 9,200, and then I think we'll have the momentum to break that and yeah, start to play out this range again and potentially push higher. So yeah, you can see we had a few stabs down to this support, and we'll get in front run. We got one actual touch of it, but the rest of the pushes down pretty much got bought up before we got to it. So that does show there is actually some significant buying pressure at this level, because they are jumping in before the level to make sure that they get their trades, they get their buys in. So that is a good sign. I do know a lot of people as well are talking about this sort of descending wedge that we're looking at. I'll draw this on for you. We'll go into a cleaner chart. We'll go into a cleaner chart so we can draw this on. Let's get onto it. We'll go onto an hourly. Oh, come on, don't be so slow. We'll go onto an hourly. We'll zoom this out a bit. We'll get rid of this. Yeah, so this is the sort of pattern. This is the sort of pattern that they're looking at. Let's draw this on. I should have probably drawn this on before for you guys, but hey. But yeah, so this is the sort of pattern we're looking at. A descending wedge. Obviously, just ignore the arrows. I'm not gonna waste everyone's time taking them off. But yeah, sort of descending wedge pattern. So these are obviously these are potentially bullish if we break above the top. So you can see that we are testing that top level now. So it's not to say that we can't come down and test the bottom, but if we do sort of break up, and I would call, just to be conservative, call this 9,000, which again is a level we've been calling for a while. 9,000. Get back over 9,000. Get back over these highs, and then we can potentially get a bit of a pump up. But yeah, this is a pretty good look, and if you get the volume on as well, we can see sort of the volume is declining into the apex as well, which is what you kind of want to see. So yeah, we've got that potentially playing out. We'll just get rid of those. Yeah, back over to our levels. So yeah, if we do get that, if we do basically break over, this is obviously the horizontal, the high of the other day as well, around 9,000, well, just over 9,000. So yeah, I think if we take out that high, we confirm a breakout of that wedge, I think, yeah, I do think we're going to get the move up to, well, up to at least the 9,500, and then potentially higher, but I mean pretty quickly, I would say, to 9,500. At that point, we definitely confirm this as a higher low for the time being. So yeah, 4-hour Stokes looking good as well. So yeah, it is looking like we could have put in a shorter term bottom here, and then some potential up move. We look on the 12-hour. We've got those 12-hour Stokes still sort of wanting to cross, wanting to start to push up. They're not really out of this bearish zone yet, but as soon as they get out and start to move up, I think that will definitely be the signal that we need to get the price action up. I mean, this is also a good sign. Just some good old candlestick analysis for you. We had obviously a doji candles here, sort of a spinning top, indecision candles anyway. But when we took out, now we're taking out the top of this candle here, you would basically assume that we're gonna have follow through. Now we're taking out the top of this indecision candle, so we're pretty much at it now. So yeah, we just need to see a bit more follow through on this move. Regained the, I think, have we regained the daily 21? No, so we are literally at the daily 21. So this is, I guess, is going to be the next hurdle, but again, that does align in with roughly 9,000. We'll break that for us. So yeah, I mean, it could be pretty positive. Daily Stokes look like they could potentially start to turn around, although they haven't actually yet. So yeah, it's not looking too bad. Stock markets basically higher than their highs yesterday. So we've got that that bullish element to potentially help us out. And then yeah, if we look at the shorter term time frame, you can kind of see we're sort of printing out a bit of a bull flag here. So yeah, potential move that'll take us up to the 9,000 level and trigger a lot of well, sort of medium time frame buy signals, that should hopefully give us the momentum to get us through this 9,200. Maybe not straight away on the same hourly candle, but I think we maybe play around some, maybe play underneath it. But I do have the sneaky feeling we will have the strength to pretty quickly get back up into this region. So we'll have to see how that plays out, but that's kind of what I'm looking at for today. But yeah, obviously you guys know, failing that, you know, I mean, we've got a nice clear low as of yesterday now, basically around this 8,680. So I mean, if we take that out today, or well, at any point, well, not at any point, if we take this out, then I do think then that will signal we will break this level and we'll come down pretty quickly. So we've kind of got those lines in the sand now. We've got breaking above this 9,000, just over 9,000, and breaking below yesterday's lows, and then yeah, then I mean that's basically the trades to look out for. Let's hope we take the northern road. Let's hope we take the move up from here, and then yeah, confirm this as a higher low, and let's see if we can get over that 10k. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at today, guys. So yeah, remember, it's not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and yeah, and I will speak to you guys later on today.